In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Afterpay on Cash App. So I have in here this article that can help us. So onto this particular article, we can see right here that when you're making a purchase, you can just simply choose Cash App Afterpay as your payment method. So to be eligible for this, you must be a resident within one of the 50 states of the District of Columbia, and it's not available yet on US territories. You also need to be around 18 years old, have a valid email, capable of entering into a legally binding element or contract, and have a delivery address, and be authorized to use a US issued credit card. So for this case, you can just choose the actual Cash App Afterpay in order to actually use this in order to pay for purchases that you have online or in store. So you may have the option to actually get it or just download the Cash App app right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.